people. Just got off work feeling great, I guess. Today we're about to rush to the gym real quick, I guess. Look at this new edge. This is my coworker. He low-key got clout. He's got like some 1,000 followers and shit. But yeah, that's I think it's Pro Charged. I know it's a centrifugal supercharger, but I don't know the brand. I wish I could still see the preview on my phone of what the camera looks like, so that I can actually like keep a good angle, but I guess it is what it is. I just have to try to keep my head in the same position, which is kind of impossible. Sorry, I'm eating a granola bar. Fuck yeah, dude. Move. 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 Fuck. Holy shit, bro. Holy fuck. Merging on the interstate from this ramp is always fucking shit because everyone's always going slow. And y'all are about to witness it. Come on, get over, bro. God, you should have been over, freak. And he has his shit open, bro. Is that not illegal? Yo! Fuck fate! The fuck are you doing? You're in 2 lanes, bitch! What the fuck? Yo, what is happening? That was the same fucking person. Holy shit, man. If it was a situation where they would have totaled the car, I would have fucking let them do it so I could get a GT350, right? But it just wasn't worth it right there. I was about to be sandwiched between 2 fucking people. Is there an officer over here? Please don't. Oh my god. I gotta tell y'all, I was going like probably 115 in the right lane. Cop pulls out of this side, not right here, but like a little bit further up, like a couple miles. And bro, I thought he was coming for my ass. He like came up behind me in the lane to the left of me. He was going pretty slow. I think he might have ran my tags. I slowed down so fast though. I didn't even look at him either. I looked straight ahead. I had the poker face. So y'all see that? No blinker from the white truck. Or if he did use it, then his trailer lights are just broken. Sometimes they sit on the right on this shoulder too, but That's not so common, honestly. That's like dangerous. I'm surprised they don't sit in between these little hills right here. I wonder if they're allowed to. I don't see why not. That's a spot. I don't know if y'all could see the little gravel patch. X3. Should have got the M. Yo, I gotta look back at the video. Did that bitch honk at me? The one that almost fucking hit me? Or was it the person that was in the lane that I had to merge into to avoid getting hit? I don't know which one it was. It sounded like it came from my right side though. So I don't know. The audacity of these fucking idiots. Actually, I'm not getting off right here. I forgot I'm not going straight home. Cha. An office chair. What are you doing over there? Holy shit, I got bars. The one and only time I've ever pulled over, the cop was sitting right up there. We're about to pass the spot. He was like on the other side of the interstate, sitting next to that barrier. That's some bullshit right there, ain't it? Right there. So many people, I've hardly gotten to let her eat. Why are you braking like that? Don't you fucking dare. conclude this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel. That's a GT. Yeah, subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Deuces.